Starting a DJ career may be both thrilling and a little intimidating, particularly when it comes to selecting the appropriate gear. We'll focus on 3 great DJ controllers that blend use and functionality.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Numark DJ2GO2 Controller. The Numark is an ideal DJ controller for novices looking for something small and lightweight. With its integrated audio card, this 2-channel controller does not require a separate interface. It has all the necessary components, including a crossfader, jog wheels, pitch controls, and performance pads. Despite its compact size, you can easily mix, cue, and control your recordings with these tools. Beginners may begin DJing immediately without requiring a lot of setup thanks to its plug-and-play compatibility with Serato DJ Lite software. This makes it very accessible and easy to use for people who are new to DJing. Additionally affordable, it is a desirable choice for anyone who require a backup controller for live performances or who wish to practice while on the go. It provides an extensive feature set that is a good starting point for any aspiring DJ thanks to its portability and simple design. Its small size makes it portable to different locations, and its integrated sound card guarantees that you may connect it straight to your speakers for instant use. On number 2, we have Pyle 3-channel DJ Controller. For those who wish to experiment with more complex mixing, the Pyle 3-channel DJ Controller is perfect. You can manage more intricate audio configurations and layer your recordings more skillfully if you have access to 3 channels. Pyle's wireless 3-channel audio interface controller DJ mixer is the ideal solution to combine music from Bluetooth-enabled devices, MP3 players, and microphones. Equipped with a gain, echo, pan, and volume controller, this personal mixer features 3.5mm jacks for microphone input and mix monitoring through headphones, as well as a USB port that allows you to connect it to a computer and use it as an audio output and input interface for playing and recording. The Stage/Studio sound mixing console has a plus 48V phantom power supply for a dependable power source. Features a sturdy metal chassis, high headroom, and an incredibly quiet construction. Ideal for novices and experts, Allocate is a dependable option for novices who hope to advance and hone their talents over time because of its sturdy construction and intuitive design. On number 3, we have Pyle Wireless DJ Controller. The Pyle Wireless DJ Controller is a contemporary option for people who prefer a more adaptable configuration. This controller's Bluetooth capability makes it simple to connect to your devices and stream music straight from your library, doing away with bulky connections. Pyle's portable professional wireless 3-channel DJ mixer is the ideal tool for effortlessly combining music from MP3 and Bluetooth-enabled devices. Every channel has a separate crossfader and volume controls. The phono and line-level auxiliary inputs on the DJ mixer audio streaming system are interchangeable. Turntables are connected to the phono inputs on channel 2, while tape decks, CD players, and MB players can be connected to the line inputs. This mixer is Bluetooth compatible and works with the newest gadgets, including computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones with easy connection. Wirelessly add music to your mix from your smartphone, such as Pandora or Spotify. You can concentrate more on your performance and less on setup details if you don't have to deal with several cords. Those who value portability and convenience of use will particularly benefit from this feature. So these are some of the best DJ controllers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.